Hey everyone, Game Paperclip here, and today I'm going to be playing Fleeing the Complex. And by the way, I'm in France, so just in case you wanted to know that. I'm tired because I just got off a big plane. So, I heard this game was good, so I'm going to play it. It's a guy. The wall? Looks like a building, not a wall. Jeez. Who thought of that name? Oh, he got taken behind. It's a girl. Goosed up. Sure, that sounds cool. Is she gonna come with me, though? Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna save you. There we go. Yeah, I saved the girl person. She said so.
I ended up buffing up my guys and doing like 70 damage. That's funny.
This looks good. How's that gonna work? Oh, how pleasant. The Force. All the prisoners are gone. Cool. Sniper rifle, sure, why not? Yeah. What just happened? You have hats. Toss. Everybody's like attacking. Make a face. He just got hit by a truck. A truck, a motorcycle, and a hole. Truck. What if the truck likes... Okay, how about the motorcycle? I'm KO. Seems to work. And then we just fall. That was it? Okay. Well, that does it for this video. See you guys next time. If you like these if you liked Fleeing the Complex, there's also a few more, like stealing a diamond, so if you want, comment down below. Bye.